In the world of art and technology, creative studio Ultravioletto has shown their work around the globe, exciting and surprising audiences with their unconventional approach to combining emerging technology with the communication field. Ultravioletto is known for their fusion of design, architecture, storytelling, and emerging technologies, creating interactive installations, performances, and immersive environments that blur the line between art and new media.
My name is Bruno, taking part as a creative director. Ultravioletto is basically an interaction design studio. Also, I am a founder of this studio, taking part of a marvelous team of designer, coder, programmer, and so on. We like to work with communication technology, but also with interactive art.
Despite their embrace of new technology, Ultravioletto is also inspired by analog technology in their works.
And also there is our passion of interfaces. As interaction designer, we work constantly with interfaces in many levels, from interfaces from mobile phones to theater scenography.
By incorporating both analog and digital elements, Ultravioletto creates a language capable of enhancing the experience and heightening the emotional impact of their installations. Through their innovative approach to art, Ultravioletto continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, creating immersive and unforgettable experiences for their audiences to enjoy.
Yes, I'd like to point out the fact that during the history of the human beings, there is always the interaction between technology and art. Starting from a stick that basically is a tool made from just to hang with our hand, and till to the newest artificial intelligence software tools.
ARTECHOUSE included two of Ultravioletto's world-traveled installations, Urban Oracle and Tribute to Creators, as part of the Magentaverse exhibition in collaboration with Pantone and ARTECHOUSE Miami. Urban Oracle is an interactive light installation that uses artificial intelligence to converse with the outside world through luminous structures and text on screen.
There are many different algorithms to make artificial intelligence. We choose one that is self-contained. Simple task, one task at a time, do your job, and that's it, working perfectly.
The AI was directed to train itself on music from 90s and aughts hip-hop to generate its responses. While Tribute to Creators is a generative, real-time installation that features AI sketching portraits of 4 creative trailblazers who have contributed to color. Each sketch is completely unique, and no 2 sketches will ever be repeated.
Our aim just to present something that you can think about if you want. If you are not in the mood, you can just have a selfie, and for me it's okay. I don't want to force anyone to do anything, you know?
Ultravioletto's approach to art often involves the use of artificial intelligence, which they integrate seamlessly into their installations and performances. With the help of creating coding experts like David Carbone and Giulio Pernice, Ultravioletto has been able to harness the power of AI to create unique and interactive experiences for their audiences.
Our Oracle is on the cloud, you know. As you see from our work, we like to express ourselves in many ways, you know. Our work has different shapes and different approaches, from minimalistic to pop, basically because we are a studio with many brains and many people talking and interacting with each other, and so we think about Ultraviolet as a platform that supports us and just to push further our individual brains acting as a unique organic form, you know. We take inspiration from many sources: food and history, design, architecture, coding, and farming. We like to entertain ourselves and stop thinking about our environment, have a critic side of view.
Through their partnership with ARTECHOUSE Miami, Ultravioletto has been given a space to showcase their art and share it with a wider audience. With their marked sensitivity in experimentation and expressive research path, Ultravioletto continues to push the boundaries of art and technology, creating unforgettable experiences for all who encounter their works.
And without technology, there is no art, and vice versa. Technology without art, it's kind of dangerous.